Wow, can you believe it? You just watched the scene of taking down a giant old tree with just a style saw. That shows the great power of this type of saw.
Illegal log.
The Woodcracker C350 is the ideal mower for maintenance tree cutting work along traffic routes. The machine makes the road clear very quickly. Tree crews use style chainsaws to cut down a dead 230-year-old white fir tree. The worker must be truly courageous to be able to work at such a height. With an engine capacity of 600 to 800 horsepower, the DF600 tree stump grinder is capable of grinding and processing tree stumps quickly and effectively. The working capacity of DF600 is up to 300 roots hour. With its powerful performance, this conical drill is splitting logs so gently. After a big storm knocked down a series of trees, the worker, along with his Husqvarna 572 XP saw, was quickly dealing with this consequence. With its ability to cut accurately and evenly, the Hudson Oscar 336 saw is chosen for wood processing in many wooden furniture workshops. Today, oak is sawn using an Arbortex saw, a new type of chainsaw, which is much thinner, creating less sawdust, and the sawing process is simpler. The texture of these panels has a vivid edge which is very beautiful and unique. Thanks to the powerful style MS881 chainsaw and the craftsmanship of the craftsman, a giant tree up to 30 meters high was felled exactly where he wanted. With a working capacity of 3 to 7 tons hour, convenient design and easy operation, the Sampo Rosenlu tree cutter has become a popular choice in the forestry industry. The tree cutting screen of the Woodcracker C-Series machine is extremely flexible and powerful, processing a series of trees, making viewers unable to help but admire. The TigerCat L870C tree cutter is the destroyer of dense forests. It knocks down forest trees easily, even on steep terrain. Thanks to the powerful sawing machine and the skillful ability of the workers, it was amazing when they were able to saw an oak log nearly 3 meters in size. With advanced design and large capacity, wherever the machine goes, it can cleanly cut trees, bringing high efficiency in the forestry industry. With a reach of about 32 m, the crane combined with the Mecanil SG220 cutting head can easily cut very tall trees. Like a giant beast, the Ponce Scorpion machine appeared in the dense forest, sweeping away all the trees it passed. Furthermore, this machine has a modern control system and the ability to operate flexibly on all types of terrain. One 7.4K Ponce H7 mower is equipped with a powerful and efficient motor, allowing it to handle trees up to 70 cm in diameter with ease. With impressive working capacity, this machine can make about 15 to 25 logs per hour. The smooth cooperation between manpower and the Woodcracker C450 tree cutter provides a quick and safe solution for difficult tasks in landscape maintenance. This wood sawing machine processes giant trees with great precision, easily converting logs into small, uniform sections. The combination of the log cutting machine and the wood sawing machine makes wood processing work easier and convenient for the next steps. The Atlas 260 LC crawler excavator with a chainsaw and pliers with a working height of up to 30 m can safely cut and remove oak tree trunks weighing several tons from the residential area in the video. The machine is pulling up small and medium-sized plants to plant in bare land. still the steel MS-881 saw with the extremely interesting blade and groove technique of cutting trees. The tree fell exactly according to the workers' calculations. It's amazing that the combination of people and chainsaws was able to knock down a giant oak tree up to 30 meters high. The Dipper Fox 600 Stump Crusher is a machine that works on many different types of terrain, from rocky to soft soil. With the ability to process tree stumps up to 600 nm in diameter, this machine can crush and divide tree stumps into small pieces quickly and effectively. Smooth combination of cutting blade and pliers, large trees are sawn into small pieces in just a few minutes. Let's watch a worker use a chainsaw to cut the trunk of a giant old oak tree.
John Deere 60 Power in the heart of the forest. A real wonder in the trees. This advanced machine combines precision engineering with rugged power, easily carving through tree trunk. The John Deere 60 is a force to be reckoned with in the world of wood carving. The TigerCat 855 is equipped with a formidable 570 harvest head, a dynamic duo in the heart of the American forestry industry. This powerful machine combines incredible processing speed and precision. The TigerCat 855 transforms the logging landscape. Forestry adventure with the Asviart 120, a formidable tree feller. Powered by a powerful 120H engine, this beast moves easily through the dense forest, clearing paths with precision setting a new standard in the world of tree fellers. With an incredible displacement of 137 cc and an astonishing power of 8.9 AP, this Style 90 chainsaw is a force of nature, conquering giant tree trunks with unparalleled power. Introducing the Team 300 and John Deere 60 chain, the tree conqueror from Swift Fox Industries. With its unparalleled precision and passion for wood, this tree cutting feat is considered a symbol of efficiency in the field of forestry. Unleash the power of the Team 200, mounted on the agile Kubota's V65, capable of seamlessly cutting through large trees with precision and speed. With an outstanding capacity of 250 horsepower, the Team 200 on the Kubota's Fell 65 delivers outstanding efficiency. Steel Miss 500D chainsaw, packed with cutting-edge technology. This chainsaw is a true force of nature. With an agile 36-bar and precision engineered Stiesel Ars chain, it easily carves the largest logs, turning them into manageable lengths. Embark on a tree-cutting adventure with the formidable Stihl Mrs. 201 to Mrs. 462, reaching new heights of forestry skills. With advanced technology and a power range of 50 to 72 ccc, these chainsaws have redefined the art of precision in high-altitude logging work. Enter the realm of efficiency and precision with the incredible Vance grinder as it turns hardwood into incredible works of art. With processing speeds that far exceed expectations, the Vance grinder takes just minutes to reduce substantial logs into manageable pieces. Discover the Stihl Mrs. 881, a true giant in the field of wood engraving machines. With an incredible 121 cc of displacement and a staggering 8.8 HP of power, this chainsaw is a force to be reckoned with, handling giant tree trunks with raw power and precision. The Stylemis's 661 chainsaw has a terrible 91.1cc engine, delivering an impressive capacity of 7.3 HP. This chainsaw is truly a giant at chopping down giant trees, easily cutting through the trunks of towering giants. Embark on your wood carving journey with the Stylemis 500E, a true testament to cutting-edge innovation. This powerful chainsaw is equipped with a 36 Tsumura bar and Stylers chain. It exhibits unmatched precision and power, easily turning logs into manageable pieces. In cold weather, the Stylemis's 661 chainsaw with 28-inch bar conquers the forestry sector with its incredible 7.3 HP engine. This chainsaw is a force to be reckoned with, expertly navigating through huge chunks of wood, leaving a trail of efficiently cut wood in its wake. With outstanding performance, they perfectly combine power and precision. Boasting cutting-edge technology, they easily tackle the toughest forestry challenges, turning towering trees into neatly cleared plots of land. Discover the DS-20, a magical woodcutting tool that turns logs into bundles, ready for burning with unprecedented efficiency. Powered by advanced technology, in just a few hours, it can process a staggering 20 cords of wood. Embark on a logging adventure with the Pharmatech Holzformer Gate 188, a beast of a saw with a powerful 122 ox engine. Enhanced with a high performance muffler, it roars through the hardest wood like a symphony of power, turning the laborious job of felling trees into a quick job. Ryan's advanced 20-dangle saw has been tested in the forestry industry. Tree-cutting adventure in the south of England with the Hyundai Hacksaw 145 and Bosch Grapple, a dynamic duo battling ash dieback. This formidable alliance not only ensures effectiveness, but also aids in limiting the spread of ash dieback. The powerful Holzformer 370 toot-suit chainsaw is undergoing rigorous testing, pushing the boundaries of performance and reliability. Engineered to perfection, the GRE 370 Tox balances raw power with precision, making it a game changer in chainsaw technology. Discover the Stiefel 400s, a formidable chainsaw powered by advanced technology. This machine cuts logs with ease. In the hands of a skilled operator, the Stihl 400, with its fast-cutting speed and ability with precise control, it turns hours of labor into minutes of mastery. Do these exciting moments satisfy you? Please leave a comment to let us know which device you like best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in the next video. The TigerCat 855 is equipped with a formidable 570 harvest head, a dynamic duo in the heart of the American forestry industry. This powerful machine combines incredible processing speed and precision. The TigerCat 855 transforms the logging landscape. Forestry adventure with the Asfiart 120, a formidable tree feller. Powered by a powerful 120H engine, this beast moves easily through the dense forest, clearing paths with precision, setting a new standard in the world of tree fellers. With an incredible displacement of 137 cc and an astonishing power of 8.9 AP, this Stihl 90 chainsaw is a force of nature, conquering giant tree trunks with unparalleled power. Introducing the Team 300 and John Deere 60 chain, the tree conqueror from Swift Fox Industries. With its unparalleled precision and passion for wood, this tree-cutting feat is considered a symbol of efficiency in the field of forestry